Hello children, I welcome you all to this English class. Hope you all safe and healthy. And I am Mangai. This year I am going to handle English for you all. Okay children, today we are going to see about the great cricket legend Sachin Tendulkar in this prose. The title of the prose is Learning the Game and it is taken from Sachin's autobiography, Playing It My Own Way. Let's see about the author. The author of the prose is Sachin Ramesh Tendulkar. He was born on 24th April 1973 in Mumbai, Maharashtra. He is a former Indian cricketer. In his early age, he came up with extraordinary talent. He had done many records and he is the greatest batsman. He scored 100 international centuries. Sachin is one of the person who scored double century in one day international. He is the only player who completed 30,000 runs in international cricket. He played 664 international matches and in that he scored 34,357 runs. He retired on 16th November 2013 and he is the hero of the story. Before we enter into the lesson, we see the gist of the story. This story is the words of the living cricket legend Sachin Tendulkar about his efforts to become a good cricketer. By referring to his father, brother, and coach, he states the influence of others in molding one's talents. Let's see the lesson in detail. In Sachin's early age, he played tennis ball cricket with his friends. He loved watching cricket on television and started to imitate the mannerism of his favorite players like Sunil Gavaskar and the West Indian legend Viv Richards. When Sachin was 11 years old, his brother Ajit wanted him to study in Sadashram Vidya Mandir. Why you know? Because Ramkant Achrekar, the best cricket coach, was there in that school, and not only that, this school gave more importance to the game of cricket. Ramkant Achrekar conducted summer cricket camps. His brother Ajit took him there. There was a trial happening for Achrekar Academy. Sachin on his first trial in front of Mr. Achrekar and other famous cricketers got nervous and he did not perform well. Later, Sachin's elder brother asked Achrekar to give him another chance as he got a bit nervous and watched his batting while keep hiding. The second chance, Sachin surprised Achrekar with his performance and got selected in the academy. From here, the journey of Sachin from being an ordinary kid to cricket legend started. He would practice from 7:30 a.m. to 4:30 p.m. He had only one set of cricket clothes. He used it by washing it till his practice period got over. Most of the time he played with wet pockets without it is getting dry. Achrekar suggested Sachin's father to admit him in Sadashram. He too joined there. In his first year at Sadashram, Sachin played 55 practice matches during the summer break of 65 days. During the break, Achrekar sir would often give him some money to have vada pav because he had practiced from morning 7:30 a.m. to evening 4:30 p.m. Especially he did this to encourage Sachin. Achrekar sir used to place a 1 rupee coin on top of the stumps and asked Sachin to bat. If Sachin remained not out, Achrekar sir would gift the coin to him. Winning the 1 rupee coin used to give Sachin immense satisfaction and taught him to concentrate even after he was physically drained. Sachin's father supported him and he tried his best to make him happy and did all his essential and fulfilling his wishes. And Sachin had to face lot of embarrassing moments while traveling in the bus. The conductors would complain about Sachin taking up the space of another passenger. They were often rude to him and sometimes asked him to buy ticket for his kit bag. Achrekar sir gave individual attention to Sachin. Whenever Sachin tried to bunk a practice session, Achrekar sir came there to take him to the ground. Once the coach was trying to teach a very important lesson, Sachin was inattentive and did not carry out his order. So, Sachin was punished by his coach severely. Achrekar sir contributed a lot in the success of Sachin. He was a strict disciplinarian and he did everything he could for Sachin. Without the coach Achrekar, Sachin would not be the cricketer. Finally, Sachin says that he owes himself to Achrekar. Thus, the prose ends. Okay, and what we are learning from this prose, that is, a dream does not become reality through magic, but it takes sweat, determination, and hard work. So, do hard work to get your success. Let's see a few synonyms and antonyms from the prose. Synonyms: impact, impression; induction, beginning; channeled, controlled; serious, grave; objection, oppositions; cocktail, mixture; wrapping, covering; immense, huge; milli, crowd; sheepish, ashamed. Antonym: importance, insignificance; distance, for; agreed, disagreed; best, worst; rigorous, careless; enjoyed, ate; asleep, awake; practiced, idle; objection, acceptance; immense, little. Let's see a few points for understanding. Sachin's favorite players are Sunil Gavaskar and Viv Richards. Famous cricket coach was Achrekar. Summer camp was conducted in Sivaj Park. Sachin's house was located in Bandra. Sachin's new school was Sadashram. Sachin started playing at the age of 11. Sachin's summer session from 7:30 a.m. to 7 p.m. Ajit gave Sachin about the nuisance of batting. In break, Achrekar gave money to buy vada pav. Now we see the short summary of the prose. At the age of 11, Sachin was introduced to the coach Achrekar. He joined summer camp. As he had only one set of jersey, always played with wet pockets. He changed his school to Shardashram, where Achrekar works. His father and brother took great care. He faced many difficulties even in the bus. Sometimes he had to buy ticket for his kit bag. When Sachin did not attend the camp, Achrekar dragged him out and advised to play well as the whole world come to watch him playing. It came true. Action speaks louder than the words. Thank you, children. Hope you could understand. And don't forget to do all your assignments. Thank you.